Let's talk today about fanboys. I find myself using the term fanboy in a lot of videos, so I want to stop and define what a fanboy is. Here you can see a list of the words that make up this acronym. An acronym is simply a way to remember a list of words. Here we have our first fanboy, the word for. Now the word for isn't one that we use in this context all that often, but it does serve its purpose. It's connecting these two complete sentences. There's a subject and a verb both before and after the fanboy, so we have a comma before it. The subject is she, both before and after, and the verb is stayed and then wasn't feeling. In the next examples, we have the words and nor. We use the word and as a fanboy frequently, of course. The word nor is a great fanboy to give a more formal tone. In these examples, we're using the word but or the word or, both great fanboys. If we look at the word or, we have a subject, we, both before and after the fanboy or, and we have the verbs can watch and can go. If we removed, for example, the subject after the or, we would also have to remove the comma. So if we said we can watch a movie or go bowling, we would no longer have the comma before the or. And here's our final examples. Yet and so. Great fanboys, great ways to connect two complete sentences while avoiding the errors of either a comma splice or a run-on sentence.